What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just fantastic today. I've got 6 easy strumming songs from the 1960s lined up. They're a piece of cake. That was Carrie Anne by the Hollies, and I've got 4 more coming up from the Rolling Stones, the Yardbirds, the Beach Boys, and one other one, and they're gonna blow your mind and make you sound so good. So let's get right into them. I'll count them down from 5 to 1. At number 5, it's For Your Love. Super sweet. In E minor to a G, A minor. So it goes from A to A minor at the end, and it's got that cool little beginning, you know, with the crazy keyboard, whatever, organ. And it goes for your love. E minor, G, A minor. Keeps doing it in the verse. Same thing, E gets real quiet, and that drum starts in the middle. You know, after you're doing a couple verses and choruses, goes like this. For your love, for your love. That's a B major. You can bar it like that. A, E, for your love. Back to B, for your love. To A, na, na, na. C sharp minor. B major right there, and back into the E minor. G, A minor, E minor. Piece of cake. All right, my top 4 is the Rolling Stones with You Can't Always Get What You Want. I've got a capo on the 5th fret. Really cool here. So G major, and if you play it with your pinky like that, it allows you to keep the pinky right there and go into a C major like that. You can do the whole C major, or you can leave your finger off the B string and leave it open. You know. And what's cool is if you sort of lay this finger down and keep that 8th fret of the low E string going like that while you do the C major. Bass note a little bit. There I moved my finger and sort of positioned it right on the 8th fret of the A and low E strings like that. So, yeah, the verse, very chill. And does that over and over again, G to C, and then it goes, you can't always get what you want. Same thing, very easy, G, you can try sometime A major to C. Get some downstrokes, build up the intensity, you get what you need. Same thing, G to C, the whole way out with the choir and everything else. At number 3, you got that iconic intro with those harmonics. It's For What It's Worth by Buffalo Springfield. I'll show you all of that. So it's in E major to A major, E, A, and at the beginning those harmonics on the 12th fret of the high E string. Just lay your finger down right on that 12th fret area, you know, right there, and on the high E string, and try not to press it down, and then go to the 5th fret of the B string right there. 5th fret of the B string, harmonic, over and over again. Isn't that cool? And then the chords go E, A, like we just did. And if you want, you can lay this finger down here and play an E major this way. You really don't hit these top strings, you know, they're sort of muted, and go. That's very cool. So you got the 2nd fret of the A and D strings with the low E open, and hammer it on from the 2nd to the 4th of that A string, and then that's the 2nd fret of the D string. And then walk it back down to the 4th of the A, 2nd of the A string, and then A major, but just by laying this finger down into the A major and try not to hit the high E string. So just keeps doing that. E to the A in the verses, and then when it goes E, D, A to like an A minor 7th, going around like that. I'll give you that chorus again. There's another way to play it with the C. E, D, A, C, E. So you can do the C major or the A minor 7th, where you got the G string ringing out. And then one more twist of the song, it's very simple the whole way through. It goes, what if the E. Right there, it does those cool voices, It does an A major to a G major to E major. Very cool song. Those are the main parts all the way through. And number 2, it's one of my favorite songs of the 60s, Carrie Anne by the Hollies. Love this thing right here. So it starts off with a C major. That's G major. So C, G, got this interesting sort of, Caribbean rhythm. C, then it does some downstrokes as it builds into the verse. Now, there's a couple ways to play this. C, F, C, F. You can go from C to F major, or you can do what I was doing right there, where you're just hitting a C major and strumming the high notes like that, and then go like this. You keep this finger here on the 1st fret of the B string, leave the open E string like that, and then just play these notes of an F major right here on the 3rd fret of the D and 2nd of the G. So you're going like this. You're hammering them on like that. That finger right there, that'll protect you from hitting that open D. So check this out. You can do them one at a time, just hammering on that G string to the 2nd fret, or you can just hammer on this one from the 2nd to the 3rd fret of that D string. So all I'm doing is leaving these parts of the C major and hammering that on. Sounds cooler than going to an F in my opinion. Does that again, then it goes into a G major with that kind of strumming, and then C, F, G, G, C, F, G. Same thing. C, F, G, G, C, F, G. Goes right back into a verse and a chorus. And in the middle, it goes, you so, that's an F major. Now you go to a B flat, like that, B flat, one down from a B, and I use my thumb, so like a woman to me, back into F, 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 B, B flat, G, C, for that, steel drum solo like that, again, C, F, C, C, like that, or those little hammer-ons I just showed you, back into G. C, F, G, does that a bunch of times, and at the end, one of the coolest little outros ever, F, Carrie Anne, that one is really neat. F major, then go to a C major, but the key is to hit the open E string. Creates this little, walk down from the F there to G, Carrie Anne, that song. And at the top of my list today, what a great song for summer. It's the Beach Boys with California Girls. This thing has got so many cool chords in the middle in the chorus, but let's start off in an A major with a capo on the 2nd fret. And the beginning goes... It actually has another sort of weirder intro, but we'll just play this part. The easy way to do it is play an A major and put another finger on the 4th fret of the high E string. So I'm just adding like that right there. And it goes A, you know, where the verse, A, daughter, G. Now there's a couple ways to play it. The G, D, E, like that. And you can do a walk up if you want to. Open low E string to the 4th fret, 6th fret, and back into A major. But it sounds better if you do this. Play basically an F major shape, but you're up here on the 7th fret. So 9th fret of the D, 8th of the G string, and 7th of the B string, while hitting the open E, high E, and the open A string. And you want to, you know, maybe use that thumb to mute that low E string right there. And you go, then go down 2 frets. That allows you to basically go from the A to the G major, but leave the A string ringing out. You could also remove the B string like this. With that, you're just playing parts of a G major right there. You can add in that finger again. Then it goes into the D, 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 and then E, 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 E. And after a bunch of verses, here's now buckle up, we got some chords here, and a lot of them are bar chord minors that are not that easy. So A, B minor, B as in boy, G, A minor, F, G minor, back into A. Isn't that cool? And if you get going fast, I'll sing them again. A, B minor, G, A minor, F, G minor, A. And if you're struggling to hit all those chords, you can just try to hit the high notes. Like on a G minor, you know, if you just hit the 5th fret of the E, B, and G strings, you know, like that, it's part of that chord right there, and it sounds great. And then it goes back into more, you know, dun, 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 does those a couple times, and at the very end, it just does A to B minor, A to B minor. So it goes, I wish they could be California girls. B minor makes it easier. And, you know, I use my thumb again. You can bar the B minor. Back into A major. I love the Beach Boys. I'm going to put together a lesson soon with 3 of their biggest hits together. Do 3 other ones, maybe Surfer Girl and Surfing USA. A lot of fun songs. All right, I'd love to hear what you think about all of these. Tell me if you agree with my rankings here from 5 to 1, and I'll catch you around the channel. Later.